I've made it back into the Zl1, and it's been a minute since y'all have seen the POV, and y'all really do run up every POV, and I've been lacking heavily for you boys on the Z content. I've got one of the hardest whips that you can imagine, and bro, I've been treating it like it's a Honda Accord and nobody wants to watch it. I don't know why. For some reason I've been heavily on the bike content, so for real I've got to do so much content with this car, and maybe I'm just thankful I have enough now to keep me busy posting, and y'all have seemed to just love everything I've been posting, and just watching the channel grow with everything I've been doing is insane to me, because y'all are making my dreams come true one day at a time, and we are now back monetized, so a lot's taking place now, and thank y'all for always copping the merch. I'm always dropping shirts. I just am waiting so I don't drop all the heaters at once, and then y'all would be like, bro, what do I want to buy? So we gotta make everything a strategical plan behind it. But we are back in the Z, and we're gonna get another POV drive for y'all, because I have barely done any content with this, and this car is literally like a McLaren, bro. When you live in Spartanburg, this is not the car you see. Like, this car doesn't belong here, so it gets a lot of attention, man, and it's a super fun car as always. So we are just in tour mode right now, so we about to drop this John into track mode, because why not? It's a hot sunny day, it's on a Sunday, and it's 80 side, and my roof's off, man. My roof is off. But we are in the big 1LE, and I'm telling you, I'm sorry that I've been treating it like a Honda and not making content. I don't know why. I didn't think y'all would be watching it, or I don't know. I've just been tripping, and I've been getting good on the bikes. It is what it is. I love you, and I still love the car content, and I'm just saving it for a rainy day. We are gonna get bangers on bangers, and everything's gonna be all good. But look, and look, it takes these turns insane. See, we just got honked at, man. Look, 50 around this turn right here. Whew. COD. Woo. See, that was its first time stretching its legs in a minute. I swear I treat it like a Honda, bro. I don't get on it. I have put hella miles on it. I got this car with 6,000 miles, like, boy, back in March, not like middle of March, bro, and it's almost the end of May. I've just been driving. I've been enjoying it, man, and not everybody gets to get these cars, and this is something I never, like, something you dream about but you never think is gonna happen, and bro, it's just a crazy experience, and I just enjoy every single minute of driving this. And what a better of an age than being 22, bro, with this car, bro. And I got this car at 21, but I literally just turned 21 like a couple weeks ago. There's a white C8. That shit's crazy. I almost went with a C8 over the Zl1 1Le, and I'm low-key glad I did it, bro. This car is literally perfect, bro. I can't even imagine. The next car I want is a GT3, bro, and I can't even imagine what a GT3 compared to this would be, because there's just, I love this car so much, and like a 15, 16 GT3, bro, I don't know, like, they sound insane. It's an insane car, but bro, the Zl1, I just don't know what can beat it. It looks insane, it drives insane, it just does everything, bro, just so amazingly. It was a fucking insane Porsche, bro. The cars are starting to be out, and everybody, I've been seeing GT3s heavily. The people around me have been seeing them, so hopefully I did right in my journal. If y'all don't journal, bro, get in the headspace of a journal, because it helps you think clearly. Whenever you think of something, write it down, and you'll just be surprised like how much you can make happen just by putting like your brain writing it down, bro. These phones are killing us typing it. You think you're gonna remember something, you forget it. I have my notes. I have a notebook that I write more of like my goals and everything like that more of like personal stuff, and then in my notes, every time I come up with a t-shirt idea, a video idea, a good idea, a saying, words, anything like that, I just write it down in my notes, and you'll just be surprised like how often, once you do it once a couple times, you'll just start remembering stuff or coming up with stuff, or your brain will start just thinking and unlocking a different little part of it that allows you to just think a little bit different, bro. It's crazy. I really do suggest y'all doing that, bro. But here we go. Tight turn right here. running around this John 55. Everything in this car just sounds beautiful, bro. The shifts, the rev match, I don't even know. This car is just perfect, bro. Like what I'm saying, the Porsche is that much more crazy, and it's a supercar, and it's like, bro, if you have one of those, like, you're doing something crazy, and that is my goal. But hopefully I just get my bags up to be able to have this and that, bro, and just like all the bikes that I can imagine. I'm in the process of finding a little dookie truck, so hopefully by the time y'all see this video, I'll have found me a truck that I can rock with and take my bikes to places and do all the cool bike stuff more. You know, I like to ride my dirt bike. I'm trying to get good on that, as y'all have been seeing. And yeah, we progress slowly when you can't ride it like that. So hopefully one day I will be sustained to just be able to travel, or I'll have land or somewhere I can ride a dirt bike more freely, because right now I'm just not trying to get in trouble or kicked out where I'm at. So I just strictly just ride my Zl1 around, bro. It's a little bit safer and keeps me out of trouble, and I get to do the same stuff, just not with the cool sound, the good look, you know. But once we get straight on that 250, I'm trying to get me a 125, something like that. But you know, all the fun stuff, bro. I'm just can't do this, and I'm just can't do any of this without y'all. So like always, man, 22, I'm gonna go crazy for y'all this year. GT3 coming by the end of this year. I said in my journal by literally December of this year. I wrote last year on Christmas that I'll have a GT3 by the end of this year, bro. So we got a lot to make happen, and we got a lot to accomplish in just the short amount of time, bro. It's already May, and by the time y'all see this, it's gonna be June, bro. So halfway through the year, we've got a lot to make happen, but we have had a lot happen in just a couple months. So I keep my mind open, as y'all should. You don't realize how long time is, but how fast it comes either. So just stay out of the clubs, bro. Stay out of the parties, man. Just work on yourself, and you can make anything come true. Like literally, bro, I just turned 22. This is my first day being 22, bro, and I'm gonna show y'all it's really possible outside, bro. Look at me and my boys. We got our own businesses, we got Camaros, we got street bikes, and we running it up, man. I'm trying to get like my boy CJ, so y'all shout out to my boy CJ for recording all these videos y'all seeing. That's usually who's behind the camera, bro. But yeah, let me get the camera off. Y'all see the personal businesses are working, and we making dreams come true, and we young, and people our age aren't gonna go get it. So it's gonna be a lot easier to go get it now. You're either watching the people go get it, thinking about going to get it, instead of just thinking about it, just do it. I mean, it's super easy, literally, like just work one day at a time until eventually you find the thing you love, and eventually you'll find what doesn't feel like work. And hopefully my journey through this allows you to want to start your journey, bro. And let me get off the camera and see the boys, bro. I don't even know how to work this thing right. I feel like it has the meanest lag of a lifetime. That, or I don't know what I'm doing, but every time I'm trying to put it in race, it makes it sound better. I could be tripping, and it could just like change computer modes or some shit, but I swear it pops more, bro. It feels more wild, and it's like just raw, you know what I'm saying? Turn on rev match and pipe on them, you feel me? But we got to get long tube headers, bro, and cam this John before we ever sell it. We got to be on that. But you know what I'm saying? You just gotta let it talk to them a little bit. Let it talk to them. And we got our windows, and we're cracking them back up so y'all can hear us and the whip. Y'all probably don't want to hear much wind, but yeah, as I'm saying, look, we got a cop right there. It's heavily hot out here, but that's probably because your boy, I brought the racing to the area. No, I'm just kidding, I don't even race. But I do want to get this John cammed. I want long tubes, all of that, but I just get nervous, bro. But definitely I want headers for a fact, and some different wheels. I'm trying to put some Apex wheels on here for real, and it'll look just that much more crazy. I need to get my dents out. If you watch my video where I drove off with the gas bumper, you've seen it on my Instagram. I'm still waiting to get that fixed. I've been embarrassed to be out, so I stay in the right hand lane, you know what I'm saying? Just let everybody see the good side. Let's see if we're gonna get blocked on the interstate. Oh no, we good, we good. A little downshift. Woo. Imagine it with headers. Unreal. Yeah. You are not touching this in a cat. I'm telling you. Stock for stock. Gotta make sure we don't merge on in front of anybody we don't need to be merging onto in front of. To the speed limit, as always, you feel me? But I'm telling you, this car is raw. It feels like a track car. You get all the supercharger noises, you get the American muscle sound, bro. If you like a good sounding V8, I'm telling you, the LT4, the best sounding motor, bro. If you don't know, the Z06, this is the Z06 killer, my boy. The Z06 killer is here. Nah, I'm just playing. The Z06 is just as hard, but you don't see these like you see Z06s in their similar price range. So I just like the Camaro Zl1 1Le was always like, dang, bro, that is insane, and it's rare type in my area. Like, not really gonna see these, so I just love it, bro. Get you one. We almost hitting 10,000 miles, so I got to do me a little 10,000 mile review on the whip. I've been driving, I've been dogging it, and I daily drive a Zl1 1Le, bro. By the way, at 22, if you need to know how to go get it, just get your credit right. Get your credit right, bro. You can do anything with good credit, I'm telling you. Cheat codes to the life, man. Get your credit up, get your money up at the same time, and then reinvest it. If you like cars, just record it, putting y'all on some free game. If you like cars, record it. If you like to ride bikes, record it. If you like to do anything that you enjoy and you're able to record it, just record it and upload it. You're doing the same thing to make money. Why not make more money just by recording and putting it up on the internet? It's free to do. It just takes a little bit of time. It's not even labor, I would say, bro. But for real, throw it up, get your money up, not your funny up, get your credit right at the same time. You know, get a couple days to buy what you got to get a month to buy what you need. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with good credit, man. Get your money up. You can get more things at a less of a cost. You get like a little time period. You get 30 days or whatever. Get your money up, man. I'm not a financial advisor, but credit is good. If you know how to use it, be smart with it or you'll mess yourself up. No cap. We'll find out. If it's meant to be, they won't take the exit. You see what I'm saying, man? You see what I'm saying, man? Look, 70 mile. Virtually though, virtually.